TXGA KNX/EIB connector. Available in 4 colors, red, black, yellow and white. The product terminals adopt a clamping spring structure, and the wires can be directly inserted into the wiring port after stripping. Achieve on-site installation and make assembly more convenient. After insertion, the terminal's elastic metal piece presses down to secure the conductor. Ensure that the product can maintain stable insertion in strong vibration environment. One-in and multiple-out structured design of connector. Enables device bus connections to remain interconnected when components are replaced, making maintenance easier. It can also simplify wiring and achieve a more precise electrical structure for equipment. When inserting AWG22 wire. Rated current 7A. Rated voltage 150V. Withstand voltage 3 kV. When inserting AWG18 wire. Rated current 9A. Rated voltage 130V. Withstand voltage 25 kV. Meet the connection needs of equipment under various electrical conditions. The KNX/EIB connector shell is equipped with a convex hull and buckle groove structure. Users can freely choose to use single or multi-body combinations. After the exposed convex structure is buckled into the reserved groove of the equipment casing, it can effectively strengthen the fixation. Prevent the product from loosening when the wire is pulled. Multicolor design helps users easily distinguish transmission types. Reduce assembly errors. The product operating temperature range is -40 degrees Celsius plus 105 degrees Celsius. Meet EN/IEC 60998-2-2 transmission requirements. It has been widely used in smart buildings, smart homes, Internet of Things and other fields. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information, inventory and shipping cycles, product prices and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.